Used effectively, digital technology can help make an important contribution towards developing young children's thinking, as they can nourish their creativity, confidence as thinkers and learners, and support and enhance problem-solving skills. Digital technology can be applied in a developmentally appropriate manner to encourage purposeful exploratory play. However, if this is to occur, then early childhood practitioners need to be well trained and skilled in the integration of digital technology in their early childhood learning environment. When integrating digital technology, it is important to adhere to the guiding principles of DATEC, developmentally appropriate technology in early childhood. One of these principles highlights the benefits of ICT for problem-solving development. It states that ICT must encourage collaboration. Today, many of the practices that you apply to encourage proper problem-solving and thinking critically resonate with aspects developed later in relation to computational thinking. Additional skills are learned through these approaches, such as these here. Given these skills, many of them can be developed in meaningful ways if you effectively integrate digital technology. Good activities for problem solving can be integrated with ICT in key learning areas such as mathematics, creative arts, and science, for example. Problem solving activities help children to recognize which information is important, given a wide range of choices. It will help them to plan and work under time pressure, as well as being able to make mistakes in a safe environment. The challenge then for you as the early childhood practitioner is to integrate technologies into your curriculum and planning to maximize the benefits of digital technology. You need to plan problem-solving strategies that involve the use of these developmentally appropriate technologies and develop a learning environment that facilitates and empowers children to make decisions and determine when it is appropriate to select and use technologies available to support and enhance their learning. These problem-solving skills are to do with the selection, implementation, monitoring, control, and evaluation of ICT techniques and processes, and are metacognitive in nature. This is the term given to individuals who have the knowledge and control of their own cognitive systems. In relation to integration of digital technology, this concept includes both these two key attributes. Knowing what you know when problem solving with digital technology is about the knowledge and beliefs that children may have about their own cognitive abilities in a situation, how well they are likely to perform in that situation, the ICT techniques and processes they might be able to use, and the nature of the situation itself. This is significant in relation to your role in supporting the development of ICT capabilities in early learning environments, as it builds on children's skills, as they have to be able to make realistic assessments about what they can learn. Additionally, it supports their ability to solve problems, as they are dependent on metacognitive knowledge, as problem solving calls for using efficiently what you know. If you don't have a sense of what you know, you may find it difficult to be an efficient problem solver. Problem solving is about developing decision-making skills, and so the issue that you need to remember is that it is not whether the children know an ICT technique or process. It is whether they know that they know and are thus able to decide to use it. The other aspect of metacognition that will occur when you implement key problem-solving activities is determining how children feel about using ICT techniques or processes. Do they feel positive about using an ICT process? If so, then they are more likely to choose to use it in the future. It is important to remember that just because children may have knowledge of processes and ICT techniques, it does not mean that they will be successful in their application of ICT to problem situations. They must also choose to use that knowledge to monitor progress being made and to evaluate the solution gained. The effective use of digital technology demands such higher order thinking skills, such as these here. Problem solving, therefore, is at the heart of developing ICT capability, as an ICT capable child is not someone who merely has a secure knowledge and understanding of a wide range of ICT skills in key learning area activities, but have the disposition to construct ICT solutions to problems which are appropriate to the context and are based on the knowledge of the opportunities and limitations offered by the digital technology available. A child's choice of an effective strategy for a problem is dependent on the knowledge that has been acquired and on their awareness of that knowledge and the realization that its use would be appropriate. These children must develop an awareness of the power and limitations of software and hardware systems, together with a predilection to seek solutions to situations with digital technology. Developing ICT capabilities in knowledge and understanding in ICT, therefore, takes a form that is different from progression in other subjects of the early learning curriculum, as it demands an authentic context and a far higher level of child autonomy and problem-solving skills in early childhood education. As the availability of digital technology is different to everyone, it is best to give you the expertise that you need in order to make the decisions. Problem solving with digital technology depends on whether children are in control of the technology. This is a key aspect of ICT capability, and your choice of technology needs to take into account whether there is a high level of decision making by the children in its use. Examples of problem-solving activities in early childhood would include the integration of content-free software that would ensure that they would be intellectually challenged. Evaluating content-free software for their potential educational use will be important, and such questions need to be addressed. Problem-solving ICT resources are excellent for engaging young children in higher order thinking skills, because instead of requiring the child to simply remember how to apply knowledge in context, they require children to make connections or develop strategies. Three examples that you would find embedded in my lesson plan activities in the workshops include programmable toys, interactive stories, and computer adventure games. Programmable toys are a fantastic way to enhance preschool or early childhood problem-solving activities. They enhance learning outcomes and promote motivation, engagement, and problem-solving. Interactive stories, like computer games, have 3 features that make it ideal for problem-solving activities. They are set within a powerful story context to engage the interests of young children and to inspire imagination. The most common feature is that they all come with alternatives and for the opportunity for young children to make decisions, thus making them intrinsically playful and puts them in full control of the digital technology. And finally, computer games and interactive stories vividly illustrate to children direct ways the nature of cause and effect.